What's up, everybody? It's Amrinder Singh, and you are listening to Learn Punjabi like a native podcast. The main purpose of this podcast is to teach you conversation in Punjabi and tell the difference between textbook type Punjabi and the real conversation in Punjabi. Now, let's kick this thing off. So, today we're going to learn Punjabi word Rees. So, Rees means mimicking somebody or copying somebody. So basically, if there's a guy, for example, you are speaking, right? You are speaking, and there's a guy, he is repeating after you, right? So basically, he is mimicking you. So he was also doing the reads. You can ask him, "Tu meri reads kyun karda?" Right? Because he was mimicking you, he was repeating the words after you, right? Maybe he's making a joke on you, something like that. Maybe he's just like a kidding with you, teasing with you, right? So basically, what he's doing the rees. Oh, teri rees kari janda, all right? It means like he's doing the mimicking you. In another situation, it could be a little bit different. For example, there's an actress and there's another guy, right, who follows the actor, and that actor is his favorite actor. So what he does, he basically wear the clothes like that actor. He get the same haircut like the actor. So basically, what he's doing, he's following the trend of that actor, right? So you can also call that guy like ਉਹ ਉਸ actor ਦੀ ਰੀਸ ਕਰਦਾ, right? It means he is copying that actor, or you can say he is copying the trend of that actor. So this word is pretty common between Punjabis. In first case, when somebody mimicking you, so in this case, maybe somebody is just teasing with you and they are repeating the words after you. That is also a reason, right? And in second situation, when you see somebody, right, and they copying somebody's trend, right, or their behavior or whatever, so that's also reason. So I hope you understanding the meaning of Punjabi word Rees. So I'll be back with another lesson another day. So before I go, if you like the podcast, make sure you give it to 5 star if you are listening it on Spotify or Apple Podcast, because it would help this podcast to spread to the more people.